Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Staradop and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 14th of April today, Friday, and now today's review. Warren Buffett criticized Bitcoin, calling it a red poison. Meanwhile, the long-awaited Ethereum's update of the network has been finally completed, and what's happening with the two cryptocurrencies at the moment. We will observe the technical picture of both of them. And we will start with an article by Sebastian Seliger. And first, speak about, let's say, news, the opinions about cryptocurrencies. And although the Bitcoin price has increased more than 8% since the beginning of the year, some crypto skeptics still cannot change their negative opinion on the point. And one such person is the American business magnate, philanthropist, and president of Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett. In his recent TV interview, he stated that most people only buy Bitcoin to make quick money, and this means that Bitcoin is gambling cheap and has no intrinsic value. And he added that that doesn't stop people from wanting to play roulette. Buffett has been criticizing cryptocurrencies and mocking blockchain investors for many years, and in 2018 he referred to Bitcoin as red poison and predicted its collapse. Despite his forecast, the valuation of Bitcoin is growing, and there is no indication that the cryptocurrency will completely disappear from the market. Anyway, the blockchain technology itself makes it impossible. In addition to the above, there is main advantage of Bitcoin, its decentralized nature, limited supply, and lack of control by a central authority. This in stark contrast to the fact that central banks can print new money almost freely, and Buffett doesn't seem to notice all of these. And there are also some other crypto skeptics, and here Sebastian writes that some of them probably do not understand blockchain technology or are at such a stage in their lives and careers that subconsciously defend themselves against change. And this thesis was supported last year by the founder of Skybridge Capital, Anthony Scaramucci. And now let's see the technical picture of Bitcoin. First, let's have a look at the chart. The Bitcoin American dollar pair has made a new yearly high at the level of 30,909 and keeps consolidating the gains around the yearly highs. The next target for bulls is seen at the level of 32,370. The market conditions are extremely overbought, so a pullback towards technical support at 29,184 has just started, and the intraday technical support is seen at the level of 29,679, and intraday technical resistance is seen at the level 30,503. When the pullback is completed, then the uptrend should resume, and there is still some room to the upside for bulls. Sebastian thinks. Well, let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin for the moment. It's the 14th of April, and Bitcoin opened today at the point 30,778, and now it is trading at the point 30,909. Well, Well, everything is according to forecast. I think it's it's above all technical support levels. So far, it's moving upwards, but the pullback can be, and it's natural. So everything is according to the forecast. Well, and now let's get to another article also by Sebastian Seliger and speak about Ethereum and what the Ethereum community has been waiting for a long time has happened. The Chapel hard fork. It happened on April 12th. The blockchain went through a seamless update that allows staked Ether withdrawals from the Beacon chain. And this is not the end of good news because the Ethereum rate broke the level of $2,000. And Ethereum developers can breathe a sign of relief as the update of this network, which has been prepared for many months, has been successfully completed. As such, investors who have their efforts locked in the Beacon chain staking pool can withdraw them. And many people in the cryptocurrency community debated whether the hard fork would immediately flood the market with ethers, which would have a negative impact on its price. But as you can see, the situation is completely opposite because the day after the event, the Ethereum rate broke the level of $2,000 for the first time since August. And at the moment of writing, it's today's morning, the price has undergone a really slight correction and was at the point 1996. And summarizing this issue, Ether is currently at its most expensive since the beginning of 2023. And now let's have a look at the chart of Ethereum, and we'll see the forecast of Sebastian. So the Ethereum American dollar pair has broken above the level of $2,000 and made a new high at the level of 2,129. Next target for bulls is still at the level 2,151. The strong and positive momentum on the 4-hour time frame chart support the short-term bullish outlook for Ethereum. However, the market conditions are extremely overbought, and the levels of 1,858, 1,845, and 1,832 will now act as the support for bulls. So Sebastian warns, please pay attention to these levels during the local pullback. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Ethereum for the moment. It's the 14th of April, and Ethereum opened today at the point 2011, and now it is trading at the point 2113. Well, so far it's also rising, and the bullish trend is in full swing. Well, however, the weekend is ahead. Some things may change. We will see each other after the weekend in our next review, and we will see how things will go. And I wish you a nice weekend and profitable trading. Don't forget to write your comments and questions down below. And till next time.